Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BigCommerce for automated dropshipping orders step by step clearly. To configure BigCommerce for automated dropshipping orders, start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. In the Apps section, click on the Marketplace option. Search for dropshipping apps, such as Printful or Spocket, that fit your business needs. Choose an app and click on it to view additional details. Click the Get This App or Install button to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the app with your BigCommerce store. Once installed, access the app from the Apps section in your dashboard. Configure the app settings according to your dropshipping requirements. Connect your product catalog by importing or syncing your existing products with the app. Set up automation parameters related to order fulfillment in the app settings. Specify how you want to process payments for dropshipping orders. Ensure your shipping settings align with the dropshipping provider's requirements. Test your configuration by placing a test order through your BigCommerce store. Monitor the fulfillment process to confirm that orders are being processed automatically. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test order experience. Regularly check the app for updates and new features that may enhance your setup. Maintain clear communication with your dropshipping supplier for any changes in products or shipping protocols. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.